So thank you to everybody who has stayed until the very end. If you want to delve deeper, we recommend that you start to explore datasets in the Dataset Zoo of different type, video, geo, point cloud. Try to load your own model from the model zoo and use it to add predictions to a dataset. Try to import your own data into FiftyOne. If you are working with data in a common format, you can use one of our dataset importers. Or if your dataset is more custom, then you can build your own or define your own schema. After that, you probably want to start using the brain, so compute and visualize embeddings. And then something that might be of interest to you is to play around with our labeling and annotation integrations, sending labeling jobs to CVAT, Labelbox, or Label Studio, whichever of these you work with. And before we go, if you haven't already, try FiftyOne, whether that's on Google Colab, Jupyter, GitHub, download a notebook. Join us on our FiftyOne community Slack. There's thousands of data scientists solving interesting computer vision problems. People from Voxel 51 and from the community are eager to help. And if you like our work, please start the FiftyOne project. It will help Voxel 51 to continue to maintain the code base and provide educational content like this in the future. Thank you so much.